Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Amana 2567. If you have not, please like and subscribe and comment down below, and let's get started. Ish button, comment, so you won't miss out on any video I post. But check out my hairstyle, y'all. It's very nice. Before we get into this video, I'm going to show you this hairstyle I got. This is twist season back. Real nice design project. As you see, we are at church. Welcome to Bishop Kevin's and Pastors. Welcome to Bishop Kevin and Pastor Lily Cantrell /L/ ... Warners for Christ.
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2.
And here is the label.
Testing 1 2.
So that is where we are at.
Testing 1 2.
And here's Grandpa testing the mic.
Testing 1 2.
But we are gonna test these AC units.
Almighty God, we serve. Testing 1 2.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Anyways, we are gonna
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2.
we're gonna get this AC on. So we have two different ACs.
Testing 1 2.
We have the window AC. There's no
Testing 1 2.
window. There's no outdoor unit quite yet, but we do have a new
Testing
furnace
1 2.
installed.
Testing
It's a
1
gas
2.
furnace. It's cheap. Gas furnace
Testing
is
1
cheap.
2.
But we are gonna buy a heat pump, and that goes with it. We're gonna buy a heat pump that can actually warm up this church
Testing 1 2.
and cool down the church good. We want to make sure things work as nice and well too. So the temperature we'll just set to, we'll put it in the middle for now. Just keep it right. So you got your cooling options. You got high fan, your medium fan, your low fan, your low fan, medium fan, the high fan, off. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just gonna put it on 3 for now, and we'll put it on just regular cool. Just put it on medium cool. That's what we'll keep it on. Anyways, and there goes another AC right there. And this you have to open up. Easy, simple. And here's your filter. Your compressor's inside, at least. But it almost sounds just like the furnace or blower furnace. Like some of the parts of your gas furnace or electric. But your master control is low fan, low cool, medium cool, which is where you're gonna put it on.
Testing 1 2.
You got your thermostat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want it warmer or cooler? But we want it. Just put it right there.
Testing 1 2.
And also we'll put it on medium cool for now. So let's go ahead and cut this on, and we'll let you hear it. It's been we keep this off for a few minutes. We just shut it off a few minutes ago. Now it's time to cut it back on. In 3, 2, 1. Goes. Time to go do the same thing with the other one. So you can run both ACs at the same time. Yep. My Goodman's now installed. I got my new Goodman out now. It's a straight cool Goodman Same thing with straight cool carrier. Yeah. So we'll put it on medium cool. Alright, cool. Now they're both on at the same time. Just put it on 4, actually. Get enough air. Get some good air in there. At least try to keep the AC going, the air going during the summer. Summer always coming up soon. It's not straight cool. Not a heat pump. It is not a heat pump. These two are not heat pumps anyway. As we go outside, there is there's this outdoor fan that's gonna go on. Let me show you the fan. Kind of sticks a little bit, but it doesn't stink that much. We're gonna go to trash cans. There's a basement church. So we have a GE fan motor, as well as, what is it? So we have this is a GE fan motor. I almost see the compressor. It's probably just a Copeland scroll compressor. Bruce sound. Sounds great. Time to hit back in before the service starts. See, all that cool air is getting in. Good. We gotta set the medium. We leave that there. Anyways, we'll leave this on. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to get started to show out my brand new Goodman. It is a 2023 Goodman. Alright, time to shut it down. I mean, no, don't shut it down. Shut the video down. Bye.